So I'll be setting clock in this 2003 MDx. Why do I need to set the clock? So there could be many reasons when you need to set the clock. If you have ever changed your battery, or even if you disconnect the battery terminal for doing any mechanical work, then the clock resets. So you need to set the clock again. Or if you live in a place where there are multiple time zones, for example, and then you're traveling from one time zone to another time zone, then you need to change the clock. Also, in some places there are like a daylight savings, so the time changes like twice a year. So anyway, without wasting any further time, let's get started. It's very simple. So uh, I mention again, this is a 2003 Acura MDx, and so all you have to do is press this clock. As soon as you press this clock, the hour starts blinking, and then if you notice this plus and minus, so you'll be using this and this button, like this AC button to go up, or this mode button to go down. And then if you want to change the minutes, then you need to press the clock button again, and then again these two buttons to change the minutes. And once you are done, just press the clock again, and it's all done. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Thank you once again.